So when you inject the Botox, you should be first of all you should feel the orbital margin. Just feel the orbital margin on you. Can you see? I am getting Botox done with doctors at Vibrante Academy. I am teaching them as well, and they are doing Botox on me. So just feel this border and leave the one finger breadth area, right? So maybe 1 to 1.5 centimeter area, and then inject the subcutaneously. Don't go so much deep here for Botox treatment, right? And the direction of your needle should be out of the eye area. So it should be lateral to the lateral canal, so lateral side, your needle direction, right? So when you inject, your needle should go like this. And what should be the angle for subcutaneous injection? 45. No, less.
30.
Even less.
30.
Yeah, 20, 30. That's enough. Otherwise, 45 you will go even deeper, right? And your needle length, just 3 mm, 2 mm, 2 mm. That's it, right? 1.5 to 2 mm. That's enough. Don't go full needle length inside my skin. Otherwise, you will be going inside my muscles. I don't want Botox here in muscles. Where we go Botox in muscles? Upper third area.
Frontalis.
No, frontalis is subcutaneous, right? Frontalis is subcutaneous. This area is subcutaneous, and this glabellar area, that is procerus and corrugator superciliary. These muscles are, they have bulk, so you have to go inside the muscles. Whereas here, just subcutaneous, right? And how much units? Here I have more profit on right side than left. Left is almost negligible. So I would suggest you to give like just one unit, 3 points. 3 points can be vertical or they can be in arch, right? That's okay for me. But the most important thing is leave the one finger breadth from orbital margin, right? And direction of needle outward. And the amount should be what I told you, 1 unit here and 2 units on 3 points here, right? So, Dr. Vivek, why don't you please mark my area so that they can give the injection? So, I am getting my points marked by Dr. Vivek. He is also faculty in Vibrante Academy. Please.
Okay. So, first of all, smile please. Smile harder. Yes. You can just put one finger and then 1 point, smile again. Yes. Another point and smile again. The third.
3 points. That's enough, right? And that too, maybe 2 units, right? Or 1.5.
Smile.
How would you decide how many units we have to take?
See, if I have stronger crowfeet or stronger dynamic lines, then you should give more units. If I am having very few lines, see, I am having very few, even right side is not that much.
Yes,
very few lines here and even lesser lines here. So maybe just 6, 9 units should be enough for me. Otherwise, normally for crowfeet we inject like 20 to 30 units, right? That's what I told you. 6 to 12 units on a side. But I don't need those many units, right?
It's not dilution is?
Dilution is like we have injected 2 ml of normal saline in 100 unit of Botox, right? Vial. So when we go through tuberculin syringe, that is one part is 20. But when you go with the insulin syringe, you have to put 2.5 ml of NaCl 100 unit of
Now this is
Botox
the
vial,
insulin syringe.
This is 2 insulin.
Yeah, this is insulin syringe. But anyway, here the one part will be somewhat more than 1 unit because, got the point? Okay, so don't go beyond 1.5 units here in insulin syringe because our dilution is according to tuberculin syringe and not insulin syringe, right? Otherwise, there will be higher number of units. So maybe 1 unit here and 1.5 units here. That's it. Here in this syringe, that's what I want. Right? Just 1.5 or 1. Even lesser than 1 should be okay on my left side because I have very few crowfeet, right? But yes, I am confident that you guys will do nicely on me.
So start with 2 ml.
2 units. 2 units. So yeah, but you gave one only. Like, it should be fine for me.
Okay.
Maybe one.
To that side only, from that side.
That side.
Yes.
Okay, this side is sir.
Here.
Achha,
Here
okay,
also.
okay. So that
Yeah, you have to go that side.
Okay.
So please, live is going on. So maybe. And after once you apply alcohol swab, let it dry first. Alcohol. Otherwise, it will be painful for me.
Okay.
Alcohol will go inside, right? Subcutaneous. That's it. Inject.
That's it.
1.5 unit.
Inject 2. Great. Perfect.
Bumps.
Let it be.
Okay.
See,
Bumps will
no
be there.
pain with Botox. Botox is amazing.
2 units. Who's going to
Next, who is coming? Please. Huh? Be comfortable. Be confident. No. This,
No,
you have to
this
go
side.
from this side only. Then only you will be outside of the your my eyes, right?
Yes. Great.
It's great.
Great.
No pain.
Perfect.
One more.
To this side. No. Not to this side.
Okay.
To that side.
Okay. So maybe I must
One
come here.
unit on that side.
Yes. Yeah. I think this is enough for me. Don't go full needle inside, right?
No, just withdraw.
I felt that you inserted full needle.
Hmm.
Was it like that? No.
I?
No, he.
No, no, no.
Right. Yeah. It
But
looks
फिर से
like.
बताना.
I see. I can appreciate with your movements.
1 unit.
Who is next?
ठीक है बस टाइम आपको फिर लास्ट में.
I don't think there are so many units now left for me, and this is very.
This
pain-
here, no?
This is really
Yeah,
painless
upper.
procedure. You can go ahead with very comfortable environment and no pain. See, no pain, right? Very comfortable. Botox is that comfortable, and that's why it is called as.
See.
It is called as
The last.
lunch hour procedure, right? Which this part?
The last.
Here?
The last.
Here 3 points done.
नहीं टू.
Two, but
Yeah.
but here very
One.
less.
Doses are very
That's why.
Okay.
The points are too near.
Mhm.
Go. That's it. No need.
No
Just
need,
wait.
no need. You are
Just-
subcutaneous. You are not going inside. Right. So
See, no bleeding at all.
no bleeding. No point is bleeding. So it's very superficial. This side all 3 points done. Here also. Here I have more profit. So maybe
Two.
2 units. That's okay. So thank you friends for watching my live video. Thank you.